Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are always in good condition and happy situation. Here I am Wahyuni Lailatul Qomariyah. I will give you a tutorial to use Flexiquiz. But before that, I will explain to you what is Flexiquiz. Flexiquiz is one of online application to make or create an online quiz. So everyone, without any further ado, let's get started. Well, the first thing that you should do is open the search engine. You may open Google Chrome or Mozilla, but here I will choose Mozilla. So everyone, you can type Flexiquiz in the search engine. After that, you will see the preface of Flexiquiz like this. So, if you have an account, you should sign up first. But if you already have an account, so you can directly log in. So because I have an account, so I will log in. The requirement to log in is you can input the email and your password. Here is the dashboard of Flexiquiz. So if you have any quizzes, so you can create a new quiz by click create quiz. If you see something like this, you can input your topic of your quiz. For example here, because I want to make a question about descriptive text, so I type descriptive text. So click create quiz. And then you will see something like this. There are 4 choices here that are create, configure, publish, and analyze. Create here to make your question or a text, or you may input some pictures, and then configure is like the setting of your quiz, and then publish if you have create any quizzes, you may publish it and then share the link to your students, and analyze if you want to see who are the respondents of your quiz. And here, let's make several quizzes. So if you want to put some pictures or text before you create a question, you can choose add item and then choose text or media. Because here I want to put a text, so I choose text or media. And then don't forget to write down your text or paste your text here. After adding your text, don't forget to save it. And this is your text. And then if you wanna input several questions, you may also add item and then choose question. After that, you can input or write down your question in the question column. But before that, don't forget to choose your question type. Here there are several question types. You may single choices, multiple choices, picture choice, fill in the blank, matching, and matching text. And here I wanna choose single choices by radio button. So write down your question. After write down the question, don't forget to give an options or the answer. You may give 2 or more options because I want to give 4 options. So I add the option again till 4. After input the options, you can choose where is the correct one. Because the correct one here is Sultan Suryansa, so I click correct in Sultan Suryansa option. After make a question, don't forget to save it. You may choose save or save and add another. If you have several questions again, you may save and add another. If you just want to input one question, so you just choose save. So here is your question. After make a question, you can configure your page. Click configure. Here is like the setting of your question. You may input time limit and also randomized question, auto number question, question bookmark, question per page, maximum quiz attempts. So the respondent will not do the quiz more than once. But if you want to setting a limit time, you should pay because it's not free. But if you want to use for free, you cannot set a time limit. Beside the general configure, you may configure the grading. So if you want to give a minimum grade in the 75, you may write down 75 here. So if student get low than 75, they will get a notification if they fail the quiz. But if they can get more than 75, they will get a notification that they can pass the quiz. And then the results. In this page, you may setting the results. For example, maybe you want to send a message to student that they can pass or fail the quiz. You may click it if you want. And this you can fill the message. But if you don't want, you can unclick. Okay. After configure, you can publish your quiz. Of course, after create a quiz, you should publish it and then copy the link and then you can share it to your student and then they can do your quiz. The first thing that you should do here is publish quiz. Click publish quiz. After publish it, you can click use quiz link and then copy the link. Okay. After that, you can share this link to your student. So, I will try to do my own quiz to make sure that my student can open it. Okay, let's add new tab. Let's paste the link. And then your student will see the page like this. And the requirement before do the task or the quiz is they should input their first name, last name, and also email address. After fill the first name, last name, and email address, they can choose register. And then they can do the task or the quiz. So I want to choose Sultan Suryansah because the Sultan Suryansah is the best answer of this question. So I will choose submit. And then the student will directly see their score and the time duration of their work. If they choose the wrong answer, they may review the best answer here. So they will see where is the correct one. So they can learn from the correct one. So let's come back to Flexiquiz. Okay, so the last item is analyze. What is the function of analyze here? The function of analyze here is to see who are the respondents of your question. You may see their grade and also their name from analyze. Well, this is the page of analyze. So here there is a first name, last name, and then email that submitted, score, grade, and they passed or not. So if all your students have if your student already did if all your students already do the quiz, you may export it to or download it to PDF. So everyone, those are the tutorial to use Flexiquiz. I think this online application is very beneficial for us as teacher or pre-service teacher to make an online quiz or a creative quiz to our student. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be beneficial for us. And as I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Harapanku pada